What's up, King Paint family? Hey, question for you. Is that home you're living in, is it looking a little tired? Faded garage doors, faded shutters, maybe even a faded front door. If you live in an HOA neighborhood, we already know that dreaded feeling of opening up that mailbox, pulling out that letter from the HOA thinking it's your monthly dues, right? But you open it up and it's a fine for your garage door and your shutters being faded. And let's be honest, nobody wants to pay those fines. But between the intense sun, the weather, unfortunately, your garage doors and shutters, they take a beating and they will fade. They fade fast, and it stinks because it basically makes your whole home look dated, and basically puts a bullseye on your back for the HOA. So that's why King Paint Company, this summer, we're going to be running our HOA Survivor Special. We're offering a complete garage door and shutter refresh package designed to instantly boost your curb appeal and get that HOA off your back, right? Products. We use the best of the best. You already know that. So we're going to use the premium Sherwin-Williams exterior products. This would help resist against the fading during those hot summer months. So don't wait for the fine to hit your mailbox. Don't procrastinate. Comment refresh below, or give us a quick call or text at 803-71-PAINT. 803-71-PAINT. That's 803-717-2468. Whether you're preparing to sell, you just want to increase your home's value, or simply taking pride in your property, this affordable upgrade delivers huge results. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.